Hello students, this is teacher Hira here. We are going to start our new chapter number 6, Simple Chemical Reactions. Change takes place all around us all the time. Change is the law of nature. Let's see the example of our surroundings. From childhood till now, we had growth in height, changes in weight, changes in hair, nails. These all are changes in size. Same changes in plants and animal. From seed, it changes in a tree. Another example is change in color. At the time of sunset and sunrise, the color of the sky changes. It becomes yellowish in evening, bluish in morning, and it appears dark at night. These all are the changes in nature. So these were the examples which we observe in our daily life. Alright, the changes are classified into two, reversible and irreversible. Reversible changes that can be reversed. You can obtain the changed substance in its original form. No new substance is formed. This change can be reversed. Let's see the example. We have paper. We made a paper boat, but now we want our paper back, our substance as it was before. We can have it back in the form it was before. Another type is the irreversible changes. Changes that cannot be reversed. Change is permanent. New substance is formed. You cannot get the original substance back in the form it was before. Well, the paper we used for the boat, let's burn that paper and paper changes to ash and smoke. Now, can we get our substance back in original form like the way it was before? No. So this change is irreversible change. And in this change, new substance are formed. Ash and smoke are produced. Changes are also classified as physical and chemical changes. Physical change. Change in the physical properties, size, shape, form, color, and state. No chemical reactions occur. No new substance is formed. Often these changes are reversible and these changes can be reversed. Here is the example of ice cream. Melting of ice cream. Whenever ice cream is affected by heat, it started melting. So this change is physical change. A substance changed from its solid state to liquid. No chemical reaction takes place. If we put this ice cream again in the fridge, the ice cream will be solidified. So this is the example of physical change. Another type is the chemical change. Change in the chemical property involves chemical reaction. One or more new substance is formed. Often these changes are irreversible. Example, digestion. Complex food substances are changed into simpler substances. End products of digestion are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, simple sugars, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol. What happens in a chemical reaction? Two products react with each other to form new product. To understand this in a simple way, we can say that A and B react together to give C and D. Two substances A and B reacted to give us two new substances C and D. This is a chemical equation. Clearly, there are two sides to this equation. On the left, we have substance which take part in the chemical reaction. They are called reactants. And the new substance formed after the reaction are called products. Reactants react to form products. The arrow shown in the direction of the chemical reaction, A and B reacted to give us C and D. If there is any condition, it's written above the arrow. For instance, if A and B reacted after heat was applied, it will be written like this. To give you an example, we know hydrogen reacts with oxygen to give us water. As it's a chemical change, it implies that a chemical reaction took place. Using words, we can represent the chemical equation like this. Can we make it simpler? Yes. we can use symbol of the substances to write the equation. Hydrogen can be represented as H2, oxygen can be represented as O2, and water, as you know, is H2O. This is your homework. The first question is, what is chemical reaction? The second